Hello everyone. Today, we're tackling a common household task. We're going to learn how to connect a Univa 4-plate stove. This can seem a bit daunting, but don't worry. We will break it down into simple steps. Safety is our top priority, so we will cover that extensively. First, let's talk about safety. Before you even think about touching anything, turn off the power. Locate the circuit breaker for your stove. Switch it to the off position. Double check by trying to turn on the stove. This confirms there is no power. Seriously, electricity is dangerous. Don't skip this step. Now that we've established safety, let's identify the tools you'll need. You'll definitely need a screwdriver. A Phillips head screwdriver is usually the best bet. You might also need a wire stripper. A voltage tester is highly recommended to double-check that power is off. Safety first. A flashlight can be useful for seeing into dark spaces. Next, let's identify the wires. Your stove will have wires. Your house will have wires. The goal is to connect them correctly. Typically, you will see a red wire, a black wire, and a green or bare copper wire. The red and black wires are the hot wires. The green or bare copper wire is the ground wire. Your stove's manual will usually specify which wire is which. Always refer to the manual if you are unsure. Now, let's get to the connection process. Open the access panel on the back of your stove. This is usually held in place by screws. Loosen these screws and remove the panel. You'll see the stove's wiring connections inside. Match the house wires to the corresponding stove wires. Connect the red wire from the house to the red wire on the stove. Connect the black wire from the house to the black wire on the stove. Connect the green or bare copper wire from the house to the green or bare copper wire on the stove. Use wire connectors to secure the wires together. These connectors twist onto the wires. Make sure they are securely tightened. Give the wires a gentle tug to make sure they are held firmly. Loose connections are dangerous. Neatly tuck the wires back into the access panel. Replace the access panel and tighten the screws. Finally, turn the power back on. Go back to your circuit breaker and flip it to the on position. Test the stove. Turn on each of the 4 plates. Make sure they heat up properly. If everything works, congratulations! You've successfully connected your Univa 4-plate stove. If something doesn't work, turn the power off immediately and double-check all your connections. If you are not comfortable with any of these steps, call a qualified electrician. This is the safest option. Working with electricity is not a game. And remember, always consult the manufacturer's manual for your specific stove model. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this useful, please like this video and subscribe to support the channel. Your support allows us to create more helpful content like this. Consider sharing this video with anyone who might find it helpful too. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions. We'll do our best to answer them. See you in the next video.